Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Lustrous Tarot. This is published by Brigh. Thank you so much to Brigh for sending this deck my way. I really appreciate it. It retails for $24.95, and in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And if you use my code with the Brigh link, I am an affiliate, so I do get a little bit of commission for that. So full disclosure. And whilst you're in the description box below, I do have a link tree that will provide you all of my social media links, as well as my Etsy shop where I do private readings, and my Whatnot link where I sell my ritual items and my crochet goodies that are all handmade by me personally. And on the subject of social media, please be aware that there are a ton of accounts that are using my name and likeness that are trying to scam people and adding people as friends, so do be aware. Usually their username is a misspelled version of mine. Report them if they try to talk to you, because I will never reach out to you in DMs or through comment sections and tell you I need to do a reading on you, nor will I tell you that you have won anything specifically unless it is directly related to a giveaway, and all of that is done through YouTube. So please be aware, this is rampant in the spiritual community, and I just want you guys to be alert and know that I would never ever take advantage of my audience, my subscribers, my followers, any of that. So do keep a heads up about that and report if you see it, as well as you can let me know as it's happening through my DMs too. So I'm sorry if it has happened to you already. I am being flooded with a lot of responses that is going on. So do be advised, do be aware. Thank you to those who have let me know. All right, let's get into this. The Lustrous Tarot deck is a remastered version of the deck by Pamela Coleman Smith. We kept the original idea, but modernized the artwork with sharper graphics and brighter colors. If you love the original tarot, but want a contemporary feel, this deck is for you. So that is awesome. Maybe it is a more clearer version. So it's a tuck box. Oh yeah, okay, it's much clearer. Okay, so before we get into the cards, let's take a peek at the guidebook here. Modded, expanded, and edited by Philip Young, PhD. Okay, so a little bit of info about the tarot and the deck itself. And then we have a 3-card spread. And then tips. Awesome. And then it goes into, oh, and it's color printed. Awesome. It goes into the meanings, and we will take a closer look after the flip through. Very cool. All right. So I don't think I'm going to be flipping through this very slowly, because we all are pretty aware of the imagery, but I do want to see the differences. So here's the back, and it is a gloss. Let's talk about cardstock. Oh, okay. It's not bad, actually. So with the gloss coating, it does add that stability. It is not thick, maybe more similar to the Llewellyn cardstock, so if you're familiar with that. Very flexible. It doesn't feel cheap, though. It doesn't feel like it's super thin. Okay. Yeah, it's clear. And it looks digitally done, which is very cool. Super sharp and very bright. Yeah, it's just a super clear version. It feels a little bit more modernized. Yeah, if the original is too grainy for you or feels too dated, this might be a great version for you guys. Everything just seems so much clearer. The backgrounds are super vibrant. Everything is really vibrant. This lantern is gorgeous. Yeah. This is where you can really see how much clearer it is. Yeah, all right. Look at the pop of color here. Yeah, okay. This is really vibrant. You can see the ships back there clearer. Yeah, everything just pops so much more. Oh, look at the clothes. Yeah, very, very much more visual. Look at the throne. Yeah, I'd say if you like the originality of the, I'm going to say it again, the original Rider-Waite-Smith, like you enjoy that version, but you want something that's a little bit more popped up and vibrant and fresh, this is definitely a great option for that. And let me know if you want me to compare this version to the original, just to see even more the difference, the subtle differences as well. Let me know in the comments. Oh, you can see all of the zodiac signs on the blanket there. Yeah, super vibrant, super fun, easy on the eyes though. It's not too bright. The word that keeps coming to mind is just fresh. It feels very fresh. And now all I see in my mind's eye is the movie Bridesmaid, and where she's driving up to the bridal shower and she's drinking the, what is it, the lemonade or the orange juice? She's like, oh God, that's fresh. Yeah, well done. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Not bad. Yeah, that feels nice. Yeah, I do not have an issue. This way too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? We're going to read for the Ace of Wands. Okay, alrighty. So remember that, and let's go. Meaning, you need to be inspired or excited. Something or someone needs your spark. Symbolism, a divine being holds a single staff over the valley as a symbol of new energy for the land. Upright, inspiration and spark. Reversed, lacking energy and hindrance. I just want to see. Yeah, we do have, for the major arcana, we have the meaning, and then we go into the symbolism as well. So that's fantastic. Awesome. So there's less verbiage with the minor arcana, but as a beginner, if this is something you're interested in, you can definitely utilize this. If you're someone who likes to use the Rider-Waite-Smith version on the regular, and you are, you know, any level of reader, this would be fantastic as well. I do not have any complaints. I think this was very well rendered as far as making it feel vibrant, new, and fresh. So I'm enjoying it. I think this would be fantastic. The price point too, not bad. The guidebook, very well done as far as, you know, it gets to the point. And if you feel like you need more help, definitely check out my tarot reference video that I have books for in my eye here. Hopefully I remember to put it, but if not, it's in the playlist. You can find it on my channel. But yeah, I think this is fantastic. Now I'm going to turn it over to you guys. What do you think about this deck? Is this something that you're interested in? Is this something that you think would be beneficial to you, since maybe you don't like the original, if it's too blurry or if it's too grainy? Let me know all of your thoughts down below in the comments section. Thank you so much again to Brigh for sending this deck our way. I am so appreciative, and thank you guys for hanging out with me and spending your time. I appreciate the heck out of you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and if you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Thank you again, and as always, the Linktree social media accounts, those are my only accounts, so if you're not following them, go do so. Thank you guys so much, and have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.